We'll guide you through how to make calendar in Adobe XD. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Start from your PC by locating the Adobe XD application icon and double-clicking it to open the software and reach the home screen interface. On the home screen, choose a desktop artboard size so the workspace matches a standard computer display and provides enough space for the calendar layout. After the artboard appears, rename the artboard as Calendar to keep the project organized and easy to identify later. Next, create a rectangle shape that will act as the calendar background and place it on the artboard. Adjust the rectangle size carefully to form a card layout that looks balanced and leaves room for text and date boxes. Add a text element at the top of the card to display the month title clearly. Center the month text horizontally so it sits neatly at the top of the calendar. Below the title, add a row of text for the day names such as Monday through Sunday. Align the day names evenly so each label matches the columns of the calendar grid. Create one small square shape that will be used as a single date box. Duplicate this square horizontally to form a complete row of date boxes. Align all date boxes evenly to maintain consistent spacing and a clean appearance. Duplicate the entire row downward to create multiple rows for all weeks in the month. Arrange these rows into a clear grid structure. Add number text inside each date box to represent the calendar dates. Center the numbers inside the boxes both horizontally and vertically. Highlight the current date by applying a different color to its box or text. Adjust the spacing between boxes if needed to improve readability. Group the date boxes together to make future editing easier. Check alignment and consistency across all elements to ensure a polished design. Save the project to keep your finished calendar design secure and ensure the file name is clear, the location is correct,